The snow came sooner than I thought. We're gonna take the Beamer out for a little snow squall drive. Doesn't look like much in the camera, but there's enough to make it worth the drive. Like I said, I wanted to take it out in at least one snowstorm before I park it, and this just might be it. And I'll show you what I've prepared. Although it will be a little bit paranoid coming out here, getting out on the road. These tires, you know, low pros, lowered car, not really the most practical. But we got a little Christmas treat here. Yeah. Unfortunately, I got no way to hook any lights up to it at this point in time, so I'm just gonna go with some greenery. Got my stocking here. Beautiful. Hopefully this isn't in the way of the camera, but can't really tell. Certainly not made for this. Gotta take her nice and slow. It's tough because you don't want to hit the brakes while you're going down the hill, but there's a bend at the bottom. It's, you know, I mean, it's not bad right now. It's a very different feeling doing this. That's why I enjoy at least getting it in once, but I'm definitely gonna turn around down here and head straight back because, yeah, the ditches are calling and I'm not gonna pick up. Not too bad. Well, she's a little snowy in here now. Follow me in saying, you know, that's an interesting choice of car to drive on a day like today. Like, yeah, you gotta get it in while you can. Only thing is I gotta get enough speed to get up this hill. Yeah, now we're rocking and rolling, baby. Beautiful. See, the big problem is I got a tram lining issue. where it bites the road and kind of pulls. When you got snow on the road, that's a pretty unpredictable thing to happen. Super fun though. I would go through and go to town and drive around, try and get some reactions, but if I come back this way towards my driveway, it's downhill, a good chance I won't stop and I'll just keep sliding. So we're not going to even try and test that. It happens in my truck, so if it happens in my truck, it's definitely going to happen in this. Woo-hoo-wee! Oh, oh, the mistletoe hung where you can see. It's going to be loud. Well, it wasn't much of a drive, but I can say that there was probably about 5 people at the store, not including everybody that's driven past me. I've made at least 5 people's days a lot better. They got a story they're gonna go home and tell everybody, so that's fun. Spreading a little bit of Christmas cheer, eh? See, not too bad. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Happy holidays.